Next example is in equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin nx divided by sin x dx. So this integration we have to do. So how to do this integration? So for doing this integration, what you will do, instead of n, replace with n minus 2. N replace with n minus 2. Why we are replacing with n minus 2? That I will tell in this integration. So what will be here? I of n minus 2 equal to 0 to pi by 2. This will come what? Sine of, instead of n, if I put n minus 2, what will come here? N minus 2 into x divided by sin x. This will come dx. Okay, so what you will do, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we are doing what? Equation 1 minus 2. So here what will come left hand side? In minus I of n minus 2. See here limit is what? In both same, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so 0 to pi by 2 will come. LCM is what? Sin x, sin x. So LCM we can take sin x. So numerator will come out sin nx minus sine of this x we can multiply inside. So what will come here? Nx minus 2x dx. This will come. So here you can see sin nx minus sine of nx minus 2x. So here we will use formula. We know sine of c minus sin d. So this one is what? 2 sine c minus d divided by 2 into cos c plus d divided by 2. So this formula we know. So we are applying this formula. So what will come here? In equal to in minus 2 equal to 0 to pi by 2. So here what will come? 2 sine nx minus this one. What will come here? Nx minus 2x divided by 2 into cos nx plus nx minus 2x divided by 2 into dx. This will come, and divided by what will come? Sin x. So this will come what? In minus in minus 2. So 2 is constant, we can take outside. Integration 0 to pi by 2. See here nx minus 2x. So here nx getting cancelled. Minus of minus what? Plus. 2x divided by 2 is what? X will come. So this will come what? Sin x. And here what will come? Cos nx plus nx what? 2nx minus 2x divided by 2. Okay. So this will come what? Sin cos of 2nx plus 2 minus 2x divided by 2 dx divided by sin x. So sin x getting cancelled. In minus I of n minus 2 equal to 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2. Here 2nx minus 2x divided by 2. So this will come out cos of nx minus x dx. So this one we can write what? 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 cos of n minus 1 x dx. This will come. So what will come here? In minus I of n minus 2 equal to 2 times integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos of n minus 1 x dx. So this integration we can write directly. So this one integration what will come? Sine of n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1. Limit is what? 0 to pi by 2. This will come. So here what will come? In minus I of n minus 2. So this will come what? 2 times n minus 1 we can take outside. Sine of n minus 1 pi by 2. And if I put here 0, so sine n minus 1 0. So sine 0 will come. That is 0. So from here we got in minus I of n minus 2 equal to 2 divided by n minus 1 sine of n minus 1 pi by 2. Okay. So here this value depend on n values. See, if n is even, so even minus 1 is what? Odd. Sine odd pi by 2, either it is plus 1 or minus 1. Okay. Now if n is odd, so odd minus 1 is what? Even. Even into pi by 2, that will become sine n pi. Sine n pi is what? 0. So this value depend on what? N. So here first we are taking if n is even. N is even. So in minus 2 we know. Then instead of n, if I put n minus 2, so in minus 2 minus I of n minus 4. So here n replaces what? N minus 2. So what will come here? In minus 2 minus in minus 4. 2 divided by n minus 2 minus 1. So what will come here? 2 divided by n minus 3 sine of n minus 3 pi by 2. Then here it will be continue. Now n value put 6. Okay, so what will come here? Here n value we are putting 8. So what is I8 minus I6? Okay, n value we are putting 8. So I8 minus I6 divided by equal to 2 divided by 7 sine of 7 pi by 2. Then n value we are putting what? 6. So what will come here? I6 minus I4. I6 minus I4. So n value is what? 6. So 2 divided by 6 minus 1 is what? 5. So 2 by 5 sine of 5 pi by 2. Then n value we are putting 4. So what will come? I4 minus I2 equal to 2 divided by 4 minus 1 is what? 3 sine 3 pi by 2. Then we are putting I2. So I2 minus I0. N value we are putting 2. So here what will come? 2 divided by 1 sine pi by 2. Okay. What is I naught? So here if you put n value 0, so I naught is what? Sine 0 dx. So sine 0 is what? 0. So integration of 0 is what? 0. So I naught is, we can say, 0. Now if you add this one, so what will come here? See, in minus 2, this one is getting cancelled. I6 getting cancelled. I2 getting cancelled. We will get this one. So from here we can say that in minus I0 equal to sum of this side. So right hand side we are writing from here. 2 sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is what? 1. So this will come out 2 divided by 1 plus 2 by 3 sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is what? Minus 1. Correct? This one value will come out minus 1. So this value is what? Minus 1. Sorry, this is equal to minus 1. So minus 1. So what will come here? Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5 sine 5 pi by 2. Sine 5 pi by 2 is what? 1. So this will come out plus 2 by 5 plus this one. So sine 7 pi by 2 is what? Minus 1. So this will come out minus 2 by 7 plus dot 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 plus this one 2 divided by n minus 3 sine of n minus 3 pi by 2 plus 2 divided by n minus 1 sine of n minus 1 pi by 2. This one we are writing. So I naught will is what? 0. So in equal to what will come? If I take 2 common, what will come here? 1 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 7 plus dot 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 plus 1 by n minus 3 sine of n minus 3 pi by 2 plus 1 divided by n minus 1 sine of n minus 1 pi by 2. This is your answer. So if n is even, then we have to solve like that. If n is odd, then you can see here sine odd minus 1 is what? Even. Even into pi by 2 is what? This one will come n pi. So sine n pi is what? 0. So in that case we can say in minus 2 is what? 0. So what will come here? In minus in minus 2 is what? 0. So from here what you can say? In equal to what? In minus 2. Then if I put n minus 2 here, what will come? I of n minus 2 equal to I of n minus 4. Then I of n minus 4 equal to what will come? I of n minus 6. N is odd, then here's last will come what? I3 equal to I1 will come. Okay, what is integration of I1? So I1 we are finding. I1 is an integration of 0 to pi by 2. If I put here 1, so sine x divided by sine x. So this is getting cancelled, dx will come. So integration 0 to pi by 2 dx will come what? X. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. So if I put here, so upper limit minus lower limit. So I1 equal to what will come? Pi by 2. So if n is odd, so we can say that In equal to In minus 2. Then In minus 2 is what? In minus 4 equal to In minus 4. Then In minus 4 is what? In minus 6 equal to In minus 6, and so on, equal to I3 equal to I1, and I1 we got pi by 2. So this all integration is what? Equal, and that is equal to what? Pi by 2 if n is odd. If n is even, then this value will come.